everyone, welcome to my channel Easy English, and today's topic is direct and indirect speech. So before starting this topic, I tell you one thing what my mom said to me yesterday. She said, I want to learn English. Wait, I could have told you this thing in another way. She said that she wanted to learn English. Yes. So this is direct and indirect speech. What is direct speech? Direct speech repeats or quotes the exact words spoken. Earlier I told you my mom said, I want to learn English. I repeated the exact words my mom said. Another example is, she said, I will go home. Now indirect speech. Reported or indirect speech is usually used to talk about the past. So, we normally change the tense of the words spoken. So, as I told you, my mom said that she wanted to learn English. Here, I changed the simple present tense into past simple tense. We also use the word that to introduce the reported words. Another example is, she said that she would go home. Now comes reporting verb and reporting speech. What is reporting verb? So when I told you my mom said, so the said is called reporting verb. So we have reporting verbs say, tell, ask, inform, request, order. These all are reporting verb. Now the reporting speech. So I said, my mom said that she wanted to learn English. So that sentence, she wanted to learn English, is called reported speech or indirect speech. Now we learn how we can change a sentence which is given in direct speech into indirect speech. So if a sentence is given in present simple tense, we have to change that sentence into past simple tense. For example, she always dances. Now we have to say this sentence into indirect speech. So we will say, Julie said that she always danced. Another example is, he said, I go to school. It is direct speech. Now the indirect speech of this sentence is, he said that he went to school. So as we changed present simple tense into past simple tense, we have to change other tenses as well, like past simple tense into past perfect tense. We will see that as well. But before that, I have to tell you one thing, that how we can change the pronoun of the sentence. So to change a pronoun, we have to follow some rules. Let's understand this with an example. He said, I like music. And the sentence in indirect speech, he said that he liked music. Here we changed I into he. So just understand this, that we have to change the pronoun of reported speech. And here the reported speech is, I like music. So here is the rule number 1. You can also take the screenshot of this image. If the pronoun is we, I, me, my, mine, us, our, we will change these into she, he, it, they, their, her, his. For example, he said, I work in a factory. He said that he worked in a factory. Rule number 2. So we are not going to change the pronoun if pronoun of the reporting verb is also first person pronoun. For example, I said I left for movie. Now the indirect speech is, I said that I had left for movie. Now the rule number 3. The third person pronoun of the reported speech will not be changed in the indirect speech. For example, he said she lifts heavy bags. Now the indirect speech is he said that she lifted heavy bags. Here we did not change the pronoun because he is already talking about she. Now there are many more things to learn in direct and indirect speech. Till then, learn, and if you have any query, comment below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.